Hey everyone, this is Andrew. Today I'm going to create a workflow that will trigger every time you receive a new email. Uh, I will, my instruction will be based on this manual, which I wrote and put for free under my website, and the link you will be able to find in video description. What we're gonna need is just a regular free Gmail account, a free Google Cloud Console account. I will show you how to enter there, and a publicly available N8N under your own custom domain. If you don't have your own N8N, or you don't have it under your own domain, you're using like some temporary one, so please follow this link and you'll find another manual that is that will explain you how to get one in 20 minutes. It is free but optional. You can pay €5 for make it even faster, and I will be able to create a subdomain for you. You just need to write me to the email or WhatsApp. So let's start. First of all, step one, we're gonna need to log into Google Cloud Console. You just can Google for Google Cloud Console. You will need to agree at the beginning with terms of services, and you will find this screen just like this one. What we're gonna need is to click on select project and click on new project. Let's call it N8N Gmail. Create. Wait for it to finish and click select project. Next thing, we're going to need to enable APIs and services. Enable Gmail API. Let's search for Gmail API. Not here. This is it. Next, let's wait for it. And next we're going to open OAuth consent screen. It is on the left sidebar, just right after you enabled Gmail API. You'll find the point, the section that you need in the sidebar. Press get started, app name, and you need to put your email here, or just any email. Next, select external. Next, the same email I'll put here, and finish. Create. Next, we're gonna need to open audience. And we're going to need to add a test user with our email also. With the email you would like to get the notifications from. So that's it. Now let's move to clients. This one. and create a client. Application type should be web application, and here where we need our N8N URL and or subdomain. So I'm going to use this example one, and so I need to copy the full URL with HTTPS. Oh, sorry. That's it. Oh, need to remove this trailing slash. And for another field, I'll put the same, but with this part. That's it. Just click create. Now I have this client ID. I need to save it. I'll just create a draft email and put it here for a while. And I need to save client secret. Okay. And the last step, we need to go to data access and add scope. We need to search for Gmail modify scope. And select it and click update. And then, very important, don't forget to click save here at the bottom of the page. That's it. So we've finished with Google Cloud Console. Let's move to N8N itself. First of all, let's create a credential with our client ID and client secret. So I'll copy client ID, move to credential at first, and here I need to find Gmail OAuth 2 API. That's it. As you can see, we already have the URL part that we put in GCC here. I'm pasting, client ID, and I'm pasting here the secret. If you'd like to add more security, you can select here specific domain and put your the full domain of your N8N. But it's not really important. You can leave all if you want. Now there's a bug in N8N. If I click sign in with Google right now, I will get an error. Yeah, that's it. How to fix it? It's very easy. You just need to close the window and open it again. Now click sign in with Google. Select your email. Click continue. Yeah, Google hasn't verified this up. That's because we're working in test mode. We didn't verify it because it requires more work to do, but for your personal use that would be perfectly fine. And here you need to select two options. This one, view your email, and send. That's the minimal that N8N needs and that Gmail Trigger Node needs. So you just you can't skip this one, which allows sending. You need both of these boxes. Connection successful. That's what we need. Okay, it is saved now. Let's close. Move to workflows. Create workflow. Give it a name. And add our first node. For example, it should be Gmail. And here select on message received. N8N will automatically select your your credential that you just selected. Here you'll see every minute. That's fine for us. Or you can change it for hour or day if your task needs this option. But that's actually the final step, and you can fetch it, and you can see that there is no Gmail data found. That is right, because I didn't send any new email to this mailbox. So what we need to do, one last important step, save it and make it active. Make our workflow active. That means that if we send an email to this address, I'll send it from my phone. Just a minute, it will arrive. Yeah. And if you go to executions, you will see that you have one more execution here, and clicking on it will show you the contents of the email received. This is it. Hello to N8N. That's what I wrote in the email body. Basically, that's it. The next step you may want to have is add some kind of get email node, get a message. And here you will need to put JSON message, JSON ID. And this node, after Gmail trigger, this node will give you the full information about your email, like the body, the subject, attached files, and so on. So maybe if we will run it, yeah, you can see the full information here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you will find this video useful, and please use my the link in this video's description to create your own. This is the best way to create your own N8N under your own subdomain, and it will be free for 6 months. Thank you.